Pawan Dev Law, and he says the performance of the dividend paying fund can be judged from its dividend over the years. But how does one assess the performance of a growth fund which does not pay dividend?
Well, first of all, I'd like to point out that dividend and growth, they are not two different types of funds. In fact, most of the mutual funds offer a growth plan and a dividend plan. So the underlying portfolio of these funds is similar, but just that the growth plan does not provide any intermittent dividend, and the growth and the returns accrue to you by way of appreciation in the NAV of the fund, and you get it all when you redeem your investment. While in case of the dividend plan, the fund may keep coming out with a dividend every now and then. So a part of your gains is redeemed and paid back to you by way of dividends. So that's one. Now, a fund which has a consistent track record of dividend, that does not necessarily uh, be a yardstick for its performance. So it is possible that a fund which has a consistent track record of paying dividend may actually be an underperformer in its category. So I'd say that be it a dividend plan or a growth plan, to be able to assess the performance of a fund, one should compare its long-term returns with that of its benchmark as well as its other peers in the category. So for instance, an investor should look at returns of the fund versus the benchmark and versus the category over longer time frames of say 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, or even more. And the idea is that one should not look at these returns only just at one point in time. So for instance, one should not only look at the 3 year, 5 year, or a 7 year returns currently, but one should also look at how these returns were last year or the one before. So what is technically known as rolling returns of these funds. So one should look at these kind of metrics to be able to assess how consistently has a fund delivered. And the other important thing is that you should not always chase the top performer. As long as a fund has delivered above average returns fairly consistently over long terms, that should be considered as good enough.